Exploring the phrase, pull altitude, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, pull altitude. This phrase is not commonly used in everyday English, but it's a fascinating one with a specific context. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn something new, let's dive in. The phrase, pull altitude, comes from aviation terminology. It's used to describe a situation where a pilot increases the altitude of the aircraft, usually in response to a potential hazard or to comply with flight regulations. The word, pull, here is a bit misleading, as it suggests using physical strength, but in aviation, it refers to maneuvering the control stick of the aircraft. Pull. This word typically means to exert force on something towards oneself. However, in our phrase, it symbolizes manipulating the aircraft's controls. Altitude. This refers to the height of an object, especially an aircraft, above ground or sea level. So, pulling altitude essentially means increasing the height at which the aircraft is flying. While you might not use pull altitude in everyday conversations, it's a great example of how English phrases can have specialized meanings in different contexts. In aviation, such phrases are crucial for clear and precise communication among pilots and air traffic control. I hope you found today's topic interesting. Pull altitude is a great example of how learning English can also give us insights into different professional fields like aviation. If you have any questions or would like to know more about such phrases, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of English language.